Alright, we're topping off the AC in a Ram 2500 with a Hemi 5.7. If you're watching this video, you probably don't have any gadgets like that. You probably got a can from AutoZone or something. You're going to want to fit it on your low pressure side, right down there. That's your fitting. You see, we only have 14 pounds of pressure in here. We need to get those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. That's with the AC on. Alright? So we're going to open up our valve. We're going to add some. So it's adding right now. You see it flowing through there. You want to get that up to about 30-32 psi. So you might have bought one of those cans with a gauge on it. That's cool. Now we're letting it equalize. See how it's slowly falling? That's alright. If you didn't buy a can with a gauge on it, you just want to add a little bit at a time. You don't want to overpressurize your system, blow something up, blow some seals. Alright, we equalized about 25 psi, so we're going to get those rookie numbers up again. Let's add a little bit more. Just going to slowly fall, probably around the 32 range. You can see our clutch is engaged on the AC. That's good. I'm surprised it was at 10-15 pounds. She's falling. I like to use a thermometer just to see how cold we're getting. There we go. That's frosty. We're sitting at, oh, let's say about 55 degrees. That's good. You want it between 55 and 65 degrees, your AC, nice and cool. Now if you're low, that probably means you have a leak. This guy, he says he's got to recharge it every few years. It's probably a really slow seal leak. Like, you got seals right there. You got seals all over the place, guys. You gotta find your leak. Put some dye in there, use a UV flashlight. She's creeping down to about 35. I wanted it in between 30 and 35. So we're looking good. We might have put just a hair too much in. It'll be alright with that really slow leak. There we go. AC is recharged for a couple of years. Or if the leak gets worse. That's how you top off your AC.